Okay, good morning students. So we are here with the question number 3, Roman number 6. Here we need to find the equation of the parabola. In this question, the axis is parallel to x-axis. So axis parallel to x-axis means it can be concave right or concave left, because axis means it is a line which passes through the vertex of the parabola. So it can be concave right or it can be concave left. If the axis is parallel to y-axis, or you draw it here, axis parallel to, because here axis you can see is parallel to y-axis. In this case, if I draw here, this axis is parallel to x-axis. So if the axis is parallel to y-axis, it can be concave up or concave down. So for concave up, we know it is x squared is equal to 4ay, and for concave down we have x squared is equal to negative 4ay. Then for concave right we have y squared is equivalent to 4ax, and for concave left y squared is equal to negative 4ax. So you need to know the equation. If the axis is parallel to, you write if axis is parallel to x-axis, the equation of the parabola, it is of the form, here parallel to x-axis means it is starting from y square. So see this, it is of the form y square plus ay plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So let me take this one as a equation 1. If the axis is parallel to y-axis, the starting equation is x square. It will be of the form, please keep this note here, x square plus ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Concave up or down, it starts from x square, so you go with x square plus ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. If the axis is parallel to x-axis, starting is from y square, that way you can remember easily. We have y square plus ay plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now, this equation 1 passes through which point? First point is 3, 3. Meaning this is a value of x, this is a value of y. Just substitute in this equation 1. We have now 9 plus 3a plus 3b plus c is equal to 0. Let me rewrite this one as a 3a plus 3b plus c is equal to negative 9. Take this one as a equation number 2. Now similarly, again this equation 1 passes through which point? 1 passes through 6, 5. Value of x is 6, value of y is 5. Substitute here, 5 square becomes 25 plus 5a plus 6b plus c is equal to 0. Let me rewrite. This one will be 5a plus 6b plus c is equal to negative 25. Say this is equation number 3. Now next one, again it passes through one more point, that is 6, negative 3. 1 passes through 6, negative 3. That implies substitute here. Negative 3 square becomes 9 minus 3a plus 6b plus c is equal to 0. Let me rewrite this one as a negative 3a plus 6b plus c is equal to negative 9. Say this is equation number 4. Now in order to find the equation of the parabola, here we need value of a, b and c. In order to calculate value of a, b and c, we will solve equation 2, 3, 4. These 3 equations, we have 3 unknown values, and this is in the form of, you can solve these 3 equations using determinants concept, or you can solve using matrix concept. So if you have learned the determinants already, then it will be much easier for right now to understand this. Or you can go with the matrix. Either you go Cramer's rule or Martin's rule. Let me go with the determinant here. How to go about determinant? See, let me take this D. Okay, first equation 3, 3, 1. What's the coefficient of A, B, and C? We have 3, 3, 1. 3, 3, 1. This case we have 5, 6, 1. 5, 6, 1. Then negative 3, 6, 1. Then please write the constant value. What are the constant value? Negative 9, negative 25, and then negative 9. So let me first find the determinant D. How to go with determinant D? For this, make sure you use the Cyrus rule. Positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. There is one Cyrus rule under determinant. Let me expand along row 1. So, for this one here, 3 times, please expand it. I already taught determinants for you people, so here listen carefully. Here, 3 cross it, 6 minus 6 minus 6. Here it becomes 0, or you write 6 minus 6. Second diagonal, when you multiply, there is always one more negative. As per Cyrus rule, we have negative 3 times. Cross it, 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3, which is equivalent to 8. Then we have plus 1 time. Here, 5 is 30 plus 18. 6 3s are 18. This is 0. 8 3s are negative 24 plus 48. Which means determinant value is equivalent to 24. We have determinant value. Determinant value is not equal to 0. This is a consistent. But consistent and inconsistent, again, many concepts are there. So now let me go with another one, that is now dB. In case of dB now, dB, what I'm going to do, I'm going to replace this, the variable of A, B and C. Oh no, first let me go dA. I didn't calculate dA, okay. So when you calculate dA, replace this A variable by this constant value. We have negative 9, negative 25, negative 9. Rest you keep as it is. 3, 6, 6, 1, 1, 1. Again find the determinant of dA. Determinant of dA we have is negative 9 times 6 minus 6, then minus 3 times, close it, negative 25, then close here, plus 9, then last one is plus 1 times, close it, okay, 6 times negative 25, negative 6 5 30, 6 12 are 150, okay, 150, then this side is plus 54, plus 54. We have now, this one is 0, 9 minus 25 is negative 16, yes, is that right? Negative 16, negative into negative is positive 48. 9 minus 25 is 16. Then negative into negative becomes positive, negative 16. Then positive 48. 54 minus this one will be minus, here it is 6, now is 1496, which is equal to negative 48. So this is determinant dA. Then let me go with dB now. If you want, you can find directly the A value. Let me find A value later. So now, when you go for dB, replace this B variable by the constant value. We have here 3, 5, negative 3. Replace that one by constant value, negative 9, negative 25, negative 9, then 1, 1, 1. Okay. Expand it now. Determinant of dB here is equivalent to 3 times negative 25 plus 9, then this becomes plus 9 as per the Cyrus rule. This negative becomes positive. Cross it, 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3, then plus 1 time, cross it, negative 45. 5 9s are 45. Negative positive, again one more negative. Here it will be minus 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 7. Okay. So 9 minus 25, negative 16, which is negative 48. 5 plus 3, 8, plus 72. Then this one will be minus 10, 120. I hope it's correct. Which is 72 minus 168, which is, here it is, 96. Yeah, it's correct, 96. This is negative 96. We have negative 96. Now let's go with DC. For DC, now keep this A value same, 3, 5, negative 3, P value same, 3, 6, 6. Replace this C variable by now constant, negative 9, negative 25, and then negative 9. Does it? Okay. Please remember determinant value 24. Okay, we need letter So now expand this. Now find the determinant DC. We have now 3 times 6, 9, 54. This will be plus. Okay, I need to write a little bit smaller. I need more space. Okay. Determinant of DC is equivalent to 3 times negative 54, then plus 6 5s are 30, 6 2s are 15. Okay? And minus 3 times, close it, 5 9 negative 45. Negative, negative, positive, again one more negative. Minus 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 7. Okay? Then last one is negative 9 times. Okay, negative 9 times. If you can, please write continuously. Negative 9 times 30 plus 18. Okay, that's it. So which is again equivalent to, okay, 150 minus 54. Okay, 3 times we have here 6. Is that correct? 96. 54 here becomes now 14. 9 14. Okay, that's correct. Okay, 4 6 then 5 14 9 10 14. Okay, so now then minus 3 times this one will be negative 120. Negative 120, then minus 9 times we have here 48. Okay, please open the bracket. 3 6 are 18, 3 9s are 28. Okay, then plus 360 minus 9 8s are 72, 7 carries, 9 4s are 43, 432. So now it is 8 4 6 48 minus 432, which is again equivalent to, we have here 6. Do your calculation. Okay, 6 then 1 is correct, 216. 260. Hope is correct. 6 1 216. We have now DA, DB and DC. Now we are going to calculate we are going to find the value of A, B and C. First, to find the value of A, the formula, it is determinant A divided by determinant D. This is as per the Cramer's rule. Determinant DA is negative 48. What was the determinant value? 24. So answer is equal to negative 2. Similarly, B is determinant of DB divided by determinant D, which is DB negative 96. Negative 96 divided by 24, which is equivalent to negative 4. 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 9. Then last one is value of C. Value of C is determinant of DC divided by determinant D. DC we have is 216 divided by 24, which is equivalent to 9. 9 4s are 36. 3 carries, 9 2s are 18, 9 20, 21, 216. So finally, we know the equation, first equation was y squared plus ay plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That implies required equation is y squared, what's the value of a? Negative 2y. What's the value of b? Negative 4x. That last one is c, 9 is equal to 0. Required equation of the parabola. Okay, that's it. Thank you.